Welcome to Excel Magic Trick number 391. Hey, if you want to download this workbook and follow along, click on my YouTube channel and click on my college website link, and you can download this workbook 387 to 393. And this trick here, we want to see how to do this. Type a number and have a number and a symbol show up. So I have a whole column, and I always need that symbol. That is the capital letter omega. Here's how you do it. First, we got to figure out where the omega is. Now, I'm going to go to Insert Symbol. If I even know where it is in this new version, there it is right there, my little scrunched up thing. The keyboard shortcut that works in both versions is Alt-IS. And I always remember it because it's Insert Symbol. So Alt-IS from the old Excel. And it's actually under Arial. So you select the font Arial. And then scroll down here, and there's some bunch of Greek letters. Now I can't find it. Where was it? Did I just skip over it? There it is right there. And I'm going to click on it, double click or click that, and then click Insert, and then Close. There's my symbol. Now I'm going to copy it. And now I'm going to highlight this column. And I'm going to do custom number formatting. Control 1 is the keyboard shortcut for format cells. I'm going to go to Number, Custom, and then highlight under Type and type. I want 2 decimals, so I'm going to put 0.00. You could put whatever number format you want. And then in quotes, I'm double quote, space, Control V, because I copied that omega, and end double quote. That space means it'll give us a little space. And you could put whatever text you want there. Click OK. Now, there it is. As soon as we start typing, notice that when we click in the cell, it's not there. That is just formatting. All right, we'll see you next trick.